Hello everyone. So today I will be telling you on the advanced features of MS Word here. So for advanced features of MS Word, there are various things to be noted down. When you open MS Word, you can just watch. If you open MS Word, what you see, you type out over here Word. So once you type W also, you will find over here Word 2013 opens. So once it opens, you will find a blank document, click on that, and you will be able to know this particular chapter, that is the advanced features of MS Word. So you have something extra features. So you have the header, you have the footer, you have the end notes, you have the design, you have the clip art, you have the table, you have the formatting of the table, you have the borders, yes, and you have the design tab, and you also have inserting pictures, okay, and you have even color or the color styles you can do, the picture styles you can do, the brightness of the color, all you can do, change it. So now if I come across over here, so you start off with the particular format of the thing, that is the header and footer. You will find insert is there, and you'll find the header and footer is, as soon as you click on insert tab, if you click on insert tab, you see insert. Now if you see, these are the groups, pages, tables, all things you will get in the tables, the format, the inserting of tables, the picture, okay, because you have clicked the insert tab, okay, online pictures, shapes, you find over here the online video, you have the over here the header and footer over here, so all are over here. So once you click over here, you can find the header and footer, and you click and you can edit the header and footer. You can remove the header and footer, yes, and footer you see the same thing over here. If you go to the footer, you will find separately you can edit footer or remove the footer, same thing over here. And in the same header and footer, the group, you find the page number, so you can insert the page number either in the top or in the bottom or in the whatever you like, you can do it, yes, okay, from here only you can do it. So this is the thing that comes over here, and you see over here the page number is there. You can remove this also. If you want, you can remove this also. You can cut and remove that. So you have the design tab over here, and from the design tab you can get various other things also, okay. So now this is your header, and if you scroll it down, this is your footer. This portion is called the footer. So you can type out anything in the footer as well as in the header, and you will find the options also. Various options are there. For example, suppose you want to write out something. Suppose I write over here anything I like. Suppose I write over here M, the symbol M, okay, I write over here symbol M over here, and I can see, if I click it, I can increase it also, so it does not matter. I can color it also, okay. So whatever you like to do, you can do over here. Even if you want to highlight it, you can highlight. You can get the styles from here. You can make it the various styles. See, you can make a big style also. So these things are there, yes. And when you come, you have to come out from here. So if you want to come out, go to the design tab, and you have to be over here, click on the close header footer, then you will come out of the header footer. So if you click here, you come out of the header footer, and you can write over here anything you like. You can write INDIA. So once you write India, you can also increase this. You can increase the fonts. India, you can increase the fonts. Now you see your cursor is over here. Now over here, when you are getting the cursor, what you can see, just see the cursor is blinking. Yes, you can see the cursor is blinking. So the blinking cursor, which is a horizontal line. So this is the cursor. Okay. Now, if you see that what is a header, then so you'll find that a header is a text that appears at the top of the page. Top of the page, this is a header in a document. This is the header part. So this is the thing that header is a text that appears at the top of the page in the document. You can also insert. I have told you, if you insert the header and footer, you can also insert tables over here by clicking on it, and insert table you can do. And how many tables? Suppose the columns and rows, the number of columns. Suppose I want to give 5 columns, and I want to give 2 rows, or I can to give 5 rows also. So my columns will be done. You see, my columns will be done. So this is a table. Now, what is a table? A table helps us to present data in rows. So this is a row. This is a row. You can see. I can color the row. This is a row. Yes, I can color the row. This is a row. Yes, this is a row. Yes. So this row, and I can color from here. Yes, I can color from here. Color themes are there. So this is a row. And which one is a column? So you know that if you know that table helps us to present data in rows. This is a row, and column. This is a column. This is a column. Okay. So how do you represent a column? You can represent a column. You can color from here. Shading. You can give. Yes, this is a column. So you know which one is the row, which one is the column. So you can write down. If you want, you can write down R, and then you can move by using the cursor. RO. Again cursor. You can move it, and you can write it ROW, row. And this is a column. This is a column. Yes, this is a column. So this is a row, this is a column. The blue portion is called a column. Okay, so now you know which one is the column. So if you want to drag it down, you can see. Okay, so you can write over here, this one is a column. Okay, so this you know. And then what we also have about the endnotes we have heard. So what actually is an endnote? So endnotes are placed at the end of the chapter. Suppose the chapter is over, so in the end of the chapter the endnotes are placed. And you will find that it can be a section or a document also. So these are called endnotes. And you know, like whenever you are doing something, you will also find that if you are doing the endnotes, so where the endnotes, how can you get the endnotes? So that is also important. So like that you have to also learn, you have to learn the footnote, yes, and the endnotes. So when is the endnotes coming and when is the footnote coming, that everything has to be cleared. Yes, suppose you give the shortcut keys. Suppose you give the shortcut key. So when you give Control Alt and F, what will happen? Suppose I give over here a shortcut key, Control, yes, Control Alt, yes, I can give Control and Alt. Yes, I know the Control and Alt key. You also know Control Alt and F, all the keys together. So you see over here you get the this is called you go to the footnote. This is a footnote, you know, can understand. And if your cursor is over here, and suppose you do Control Alt and D, so Control Alt and D together, then you will see that where the cursor is going. So if your cursor is going to the portion, so Control Alt and D you can press and find out. So if you give Control Alt and D you know very well what is D, and you see it has come to the end note. So this is the end note. Okay, suppose your cursor is over here. So your cursor is over here. So you give Control Alt and D. See, it has come to the end note. Yes, so you can very well understand what is an end note. Yes, yes or no? Yes, you think of what is an end note then. So whenever you are doing it, the end note, yes, keyboard shortcut to enter the end note, you give Control Alt and D. So you know the footnote, you know the end note, and many things. So suppose you want to delete a row or a column. Suppose you want to delete a row or a column. So you want to delete this row you want to delete, fine, this row. So what do you do? If you want to delete a column, yes, so the cursor is at this column. So if you want to delete the column, so you can right click the mouse. So right click the mouse and you can go to delete, yes, delete cells, and you can give this entire, if you give entire column, this column, whole column, I told this one is a column, whole column is deleted. See, just see. And if you want to delete a row, suppose you want to delete this row, so you can delete, you know this is a row, so if you delete a row, right click on it and you can give delete cells over here and delete the entire row. So this row is deleted. So you know how to delete row. I have shown you how to bring a particular table. You can even format a table also. So you have to click on the selection button. Yes, once you click on the selection button, so you can format. Yes, if you click on the selection button, yes, so that this is on top right corner of the table, the entire row will be selected and you have to go to the design tab. So you click on the design tab. Once you click on the design tab, you can do the borders from here. Yes, and do the borders. Fine. So a drop down, find a drop down arrow is there. Okay, you can do over here. You can even do borders from here. Which borders you want, you can do. Fine. So everything you can do. Even you can make the particular border more, and you can use the particular borders. Yes, and pen color also you can, if you want, you can change it. So this is the style of the border that you will be doing. Yes, so whenever you are taking, you can take the size of the border. Once you click over here, see the border, all borders, you see border color has been changed. How nice it is. So you know the changing of the borders. You know, even add borders. Yes, so you can do these things. All you can do. You can even insert pictures. Yes, you can do that. You can go to the pictures and you can even insert the pictures. Yes, any pictures of your choice, any saved pictures that you have. If you find any pictures on the desktop, you can insert that picture also over here if you want so. And you can reduce, yes, you can reduce the picture shape also. It's very small thing. Yes, see how nice. You can reduce the picture shape. Yes, how small you are making. You can reduce more. See, you are reducing more. Yes, found out how nice it is. And these things are also, you know, the style also. If you click on this, you go to the design tab, you find, yes, format is there. You can see the styles. From here, picture styles are there. You can click over here and find out more styles. See, you can make it round. You can make it round. You can make it any particular effect also over here. You can make any particular effect also, shadow also. Yes. So all you can see the reflection way. Yes, see the difference. So you can use this one also. Whatever you want, you can choose it. Yes, fine. So, and then you can click outside. So whatever you want, the design, you can know and you can do everything you like. Now you can adjust the colors also. You can adjust the colors. Yes, you can go to the format tab. Yes, you can select the picture and then go to the format tab or the layout tab, whatever you want, and you can format it. Okay, you can format it. You can format anything. Format is making changes. Yes, you can, if you want to select the whole thing, you can, if you select the whole thing, okay, you will be able to delete also, see options are there. You can insert also. Okay, insert above, you see, insert above you do. Yes, it has been done above. So you can see it goes down, you can see it goes down. Yes, so there it is. So here it is. Okay, so this has been done. If you undo it, you'll come back to its original position. Yes, come up from the right side and you see that it is coming back, yes, to its original form. The shadow is here. So this is something great. You can change colors and everything, and this is very interesting. Yeah, right? You like it? If you like it, then you just observe my video over and over again and try to understand. Yes, try to understand and also be clear in your concepts. And we can see the header and footer in a document only if the document is opened in the what mode? Opened in the print layout mode. So where is the print layout mode? So view, you can find the views, print layout mode. So you can see in the print layout mode, yes, the header and footer, you can see this is the header. So if you go to the read mode, not be able to see, yes. Okay, yes. Okay, header is not there. So these things, and if you go back, okay, and you can come out the layer once more. Okay, everything is done, and you can see back you come, and you understand what is this done. Okay, so hope you understand everything. Yes, so you can go like this, you can go from here also. See how nice. You can view it from the edit mode also. You can go back to the edit mode. Yes, so you can come over here, that is the edit mode. You come back to the place from where you started, the shade. So this is all about the chapter. You know everything of the chapter nicely, I hope, and you are always welcome if you have something to say. Yes, and you know that this particular there is a you'll find that any clip art from the particular thing are predefined structures. Okay, so if you insert also, you can see over here word art is also there. This is also a predefined word art in a clip art. You'll find in the lower version clip art, and you will find also any art type of smart art, clip art, all will be predefined. Yes, predefined. Okay, see, all are predefined. Okay, any type of art. This is just an sample additional I'm saying advanced features of MS Word. Thank you everyone. So I wrap this now, and you are ready, yes, for everything. You have revised the whole chapter, that is the advanced features of MS Word. Thank you everyone, and do see and